I thought I'll create a top 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. What? Oh, I have 7, you guys. I wanted to pick one, just to like trim this video down, but I couldn't pick one. Beautiful stuff. By the way, did you know you can send your empty Plum packaging for recycling back to Plum? I don't like the bullet because it kinda... Honestly, let me know if you liked it or you hated it. Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel.
My boo is also telling you hi, not
He also wants to say hi. So I'm doing a top 6 video. This video is not sponsored. They don't even know I'm doing this video. I've been rounding up my top 5s from many of my brands in creating these videos. So if you haven't seen my previous videos, you can click them on the iCard, wherever that pops up. I keep getting confused. Anyways, I've done Dr.Sheth's Dot & Key, Dermaco. So far I'm doing Plum today. If you want to see my top 5 of any other brand, let me know as well. Now let's get started with my favorite Plum products. Okay, I cannot do a top 5 without talking about their Plum rice water and niacinamide serum. This is the 10% niacinamide serum, and I've said this time and time again, this is the only exception to my no niacinamide rule, because I don't see this as a niacinamide serum. I see this as very lightweight moisturizer that also contains niacinamide and rice water. Rice water is one of my favorite. I've said it, I almost feel like a parrot saying this at this point, so I'm not gonna speak more about why I love this serum. This serum suits all skin types, guys. It doesn't matter what your skin type is, what your age is, it's gonna make your skin glow, and at the fraction of the price of luxury skincare brands that does the same thing. So I absolutely love this. My top 2 from Plum are all of their lipsticks. I wanted to pick one, just to like trim this video down, but I couldn't pick one. Their liquid lipsticks are better than luxury lipsticks. Their lip crayons are absolutely fantastic, and the shades also, they have such well thought out shades for us Indian skin tones. And even their bullet lipstick that, I don't like the bullet because it kinda, you can't see the color from outside and it kind of looks like they ripped it off from MAC. But forgetting that, the formulations and the colors and the price are so phenomenal. So my top 2 position goes to their lipsticks. Pick whatever you like, whatever kind of lipsticks you like, pick it. They're beautiful. The next product I want to talk about is the Plum Pro Next hair treatment. Now Olaplex and all of these bonding hair mask, shampoo, conditioners, they are so many brands are coming out with them, and they are absolutely phenomenal to fix your hair bond. If you color or chemically treat your hair, you need them, to sustain coloring or straightening or perming or heat styling. Now all of these bond repair products are very expensive. They are 3,000 rupees and up, and then Plum comes with something that is 400 rupees, below 500 rupees, and it almost works as good as the high-end ones, which is mind-blowing. The R&D and the hard work they've put into something like this to make bond treatment affordable, more approachable. So I really love this product. There is a whole range. There is a mask and a shampoo and a conditioner. You can buy the whole set or just get the treatment, and this is a 5-minute treatment. It's not like the 1-hour treatments or the 15 minutes treatment. Literally 5 minutes pre-wash. Beautiful stuff. Makes your hair so soft and strong. Love it. Next up, I want to talk about their sunscreens. They feel so good on the skin. I've noticed that this one kind of collects on my neckline, so once it's settled in, I have to go one more time to just smooth out on my necklines. Other than that, I haven't found any problems with this sunscreen. It's very light. It is got new generation filters. Very few sunscreens in the Indian market has new gen filters. A lot of sunscreens are still using the older filters. So that's what I like about the Plum sunscreens. They use new gen filters and they feel so light on the skin, This is from the same range as the niacinamide. So this is the rice water and niacinamide 2% hybrid sunscreen, SPF of 50 PA+++. I also like the tube, with the pump and all of that. And also I like that, you know, by the way, did you know you can send your empty Plum packaging for recycling back to Plum? You know, not many brands do that. So that is something that I know they used to do. I don't know if they still do that. I really like that approach that they have, you know. Yeah. So where are we? 1, 2, 3, 4. What? I have what? Wait, what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I have 7, you guys. Okay, I wanted to do a top 5 and I end up with 7. Anyways, I love their body mist. I personally like their body mist more than their perfumes, and my favorite fragrance of them all is the Trippin' Mimosa. You know, this is me in a bottle. Absolutely love it. It is actually really long lasting and long wearing. Love it. I also love their shower gels. I love that they have so many different fragrances in them. You know, I have the Hawaiian Rumba right here. They have the whole range for all the scents. You know, you can even buy Trippin' Mimosa in the shower gel. They have some really yummy butter cupcake or something. They have some really nice shower gels. And finally, I love their vitamin C serums. If you know me, you know that vitamin C and retinol is non-negotiable in my skincare routine, and the Plum vitamin C's are absolutely amazing. They've got Japanese mandarin, cacao plum, ethyl ascorbic acid, 15% vitamin C, fragrance free. It's good for even beginners, you know. Great stuff. That's it, guys. So this is my top 7 Plum products. Let me know if you have bought any Plum products on my recommendations, and honestly let me know if you liked it or you hated it. It's okay if you hated it. I want to know, you know, I want to know your honest opinion. So I will see you in the comment section below, and that's it. I love you. I shall see you in my next one.